Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set stop loss and take profit in Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is especially useful if you want to manage your trades more safely, because stop loss and take profit levels help you control both your downside risk and your potential profit target before you enter the market. First, you'll want to open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads and you can see your main trading dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll find various menu options and tools. Make sure you are logged into the correct trading account, whether that is a demo account for practice or a live account for real trading, so you know exactly where your trade settings are being applied. At the top of the interface, look for and click on the button labeled New Order. This will open a new window where you can configure all the essential settings for your trade, including the volume, stop loss, and take profit levels. This is the control panel where you'll set up everything before executing your trade. Think of this window as the place where you prepare your trade plan before actually entering the markets, so it is important to double-check each field before clicking buy or sell. Now, in the order window that appears, you'll see a field labeled Volume. This controls the size of your position, which is an important factor in managing your risk. Click on this field and adjust it according to your trading strategy. For example, you might set it to 0.02, which represents the lot size you want to trade. Choosing the right volume helps you control how much capital you're putting at risk with each trade. If you are new to trading, it is usually better to start with a smaller volume while you are still learning how the market moves, because a larger volume can increase both your potential profit and your potential loss. Next, locate the field labeled Stop Loss. This is where you'll set the price level at which your trade will automatically close if the market moves against you. Enter your desired stop loss value based on your risk management plan. Setting a stop loss is crucial because it protects your account from significant losses by limiting how much you can lose on a single trade. For example, if you are buying and you expect the price to go up, your stop loss would normally be placed below your entry price. If you are selling and you expect the price to go down, your stop loss would normally be placed above your entry price. This way, if the trade does not go as planned, Metatrader 5 can close it automatically at the level you selected. After that, find the Take Profit field right below or near the stop loss section. Here, you'll enter the price level at which you want your trade to automatically close when it reaches your target profit. Adjust this value according to your profit goals and trading strategy. The Take Profit feature ensures you lock in your gains when the market moves in your favor, without needing to monitor the trade constantly. For example, if your analysis shows that the price may reach a certain resistance or support level, you can place your Take Profit around that area, so the platform closes the trade once your target is reached. Once you've configured your volume, stop loss, and take profit settings, you'll notice two buttons at the bottom of the order window. One says Sell by Market, and the other says Buy by Market. These buttons allow you to execute your trade immediately at the current market price. Click on Sell by Market if you believe the price will go down, or click Buy by Market if you think the price will rise. Your choice depends on your market analysis and trading strategy. Before you click either button, quickly review your lot size, stop loss, and take profit one more time, because once the trade is placed, it will be active in the market right away. And that's it. You've successfully set up stop loss and take profit levels in Metatrader 5, giving you better control over your trades and risk management. Using these tools consistently can help you trade with a clearer plan instead of making emotional decisions while the market is moving. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.